But back in Mid Wales on this lovely Saturday morning with some fine company.
And Mark.
And Mark. I can't even finish that off. There's
2 mills or maybe 1.
Yeah, there's a big one at the bottom and then there's the second one, isn't there?
No.
Well, that's a dodgy post. Oh. You got a building there, yeah, it looked like what was an old water wheel. That's pretty cool. Oh shit.
There's a wall, I reckon, in the steps. Around that, I'm going around there. I'm going to have a look at
Oh, that's hell of a point, mate. Stand there, it's like standing on the Titanic. How far do you reckon above sea level are we, do you reckon?
Hang on, I'll tell you now.
350 foot.
350 foot? Right, that's a good shout. I'm going to say 270.
1,000.
1,000 feet above sea level?
1,006 feet.
Wow, pretty cool.
1,006.
Yeah, that's... You going in?
No.
I want to see that chimney. Is it still got an open fire? Oh wow, fucking hell, that fireplace is huge. Wow. That's the biggest fireplace I've ever seen in one of these. Surely that's like a Forger's or something. It's a really cool chimney. Do you know, this is a weird building, Gareth. Because look at the stonework. And then look at this is clearly new.
It looks like there's a door or something.
Yeah, but it's the same on the back where it looks like maybe that was the original building and then this was just extended over time. Right, go fly the drone.
Couldn't get it like that and I
So,
couldn't stand.
what you do, push that button till the lights come on. Push that button till the lights come on. Wait till it connects on the screen. There you go. It says it's unable to take off. Now it
No,
can.
it's not on the zip, but there's like a...
Then it's really simple. Push that button there. Hold that button down. Oh, hang on. Long grass. Didn't like the grass. Bit of interference. Right, let's try that again. So push that button down.
Home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
There you go. Hold that down.
Gonna send the drone up.
And that should lift it up then. Lovely. I shall push the record button instantly. And then I'm going to... Oh fuck! Mate, that was so close. I can't... I went to put this down. Oh, I'm scared. Hold that down.
Gonna send the drone up.
Should lift it up then.
Easier way to find. Saves us going searching. It saves us so much time.
That's why I'd like to get one in the picture.
Oh, that was so
close. Oh my god. I went to put this down. Oh, I'm scared.
Oh my god, don't land it.
Oh shit.
So yeah, when it works, it works. There we are, we're off.
Right,
Yeah, up safer.
drone there, Anthony there. Let's go have a look at these boars. Wow, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Wow, it's perfectly round.
That's a looking shot.
See where it's come through, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it? Those grooves are pretty cool. Wow, look at that baby spider. Anthony at the bottom of the tunnel. Gareth there. Mark there. Hey, you filling me, I'll film you. No, fuck you, friend. No, fuck you. That's quite slippy, yeah. Those grooves are quite cool, aren't they? Those grooves are really cool. Yeah, the one in mine offering wasn't far at all, was it? Mate, as soon as I turned around, it was like, why are none of us recording this? Like,
all you have to do, right? You was there. All you have to do.
oh, yeah, I'll help you. I'll help you. Why didn't you just jump?
I was good. I don't know. Come up to
Oh, mate, what's that big rock moving? You literally, your face was like, okay, I'll go and punch you. Oh, mate, I thought I made things awkward. You just... Hang on. Right, take two. Ready? Action!
And the worse than the audience watching as well.
Just don't stand on that. That's hanging off. Yeah, the one just, there's nothing underneath there.
Well, that's my top bit of slippery of it because I knew.
Oh my god.
Fucking hell. And this is why you need liability insurance.
Yeah, it doesn't. And I need carer's allowance.
Been up in the binoculars. I was flying the drone. I flew through there, up around, came down, crashed into the wall. We shall find out if it's all recorded. Hopefully.